Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform, and I'm going to be trading cryptocurrencies on the platform utilizing one indicator. And if we click on our indicator icon here, the name of the indicator is Fractal Chaos Bands. And I have a playlist of this particular strategy using the Fractal Chaos Bands. So if you want to learn more about this strategy, check the playlist. Okay. So when we have our fractal chaos band set up here, you have a green line here, which represents a dynamic level of resistance, and a red line, which represents a dynamic level of support. And in my indicator settings here, I have the period set to 2, which is the default setting. So we're going to keep the default setting. And in the style settings, I only changed the background to white here. Everything else I kept the same, but the white background in order to see the lines, the lines a little bit better. Okay, so in the candlestick charts, I've set them to 1 minute candles, regular Japanese candles, and for my trade timer here, I've set the trade time to 1 minute, so I'll be taking 60-second trades. So let me pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on Tron, the Tron crypto, and I just took a put trade or a sell trade. And the reason why I took the trade is, if you notice, I took the trade during this previous candle here. Uh, three bearish candles developed. This candle pushed outside the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band. And so that suggests when the candle closed, it suggests that as long as the candle closes outside the band line here, uh, it suggests a bearish breakout to the downside. And as you can tell here, that's exactly what happened. And I caught this trade perfectly, the entry. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Litecoin, and I just took a sell trade or a put trade. And the reason why I took the trade, similarly to the previous trade, I noticed this strong bearish candle pushing outside the boundary, the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band line. So I went ahead and okay, so the price did actually close outside the band line here. So I went ahead and took the sell trade. All right. So I didn't wait for the price to close. I just went ahead and took the trade, knowing that the price would close below the fractal chaos band line. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Dogecoin, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is the previous green candle here closed outside the fractal chaos band line, suggesting a bullish momentum upward. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. So let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Litecoin crypto, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, if you notice here, this previous red candle closed outside the Fractal Chaos band line, and I went ahead and took the put or sell trade, suggesting that there's going to be a downward bearish momentum in the price. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay. Okay, good. So we won that trade. All right, let's look for one last trade. Okay, so I'm on Solana and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is, if you notice, this previous red candle uh, closed outside and below the Fractal Chaos band area here, suggesting a bearish movement to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. We won that trade. All right, so I'm going to close out the session here. And so if you like the video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, share the video, comment. Tell me what you think about the strategy. And if you're interested in trading this strategy, I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. So thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.